besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new here, hey bestie, welcome back. Today is a Saturday. Happy Saturday. Now me and my babies are gonna go bike riding, so I wanted to bring you guys along. I wanted to show you guys this super cute top I got yesterday at Marshall's. It's so cute. It's like a pump cover and it has Hello Kitty in the back. Super cute, and then it like covers the booty. So let me show you real quick. Covers really cute, and this is just like my bike riding outfit. I'm also trying out some new makeup products I used today. The NYX Bear With Me concealer. That one's actually really nice, and I set it with the Kylie soft pink setting powder. We love that. And I'm also using a Play Tint by Benefit. That's one of my favorites. It's Pink Lemonade. It just gives you like the most pretty natural blush, like that sunburn look. But anyways, let's go ahead and do something fun today. I already stretched outside. Now let's go bike riding. I'm ready. I'm just wearing my new t-shirt from Yellowstone. It's so cute. Don't Make Me Send Rip. And then just regular shorts and my Converse, and I'm taking my cardigan just in case it gets cold, because you know it's like at a stadium, so you just don't know. Cute. I'm gonna try vlogging too, so I you. Yeah, fun. Yeah. Are leaving. It was so much fun, right, baby? Kai had so much fun. Okay. You guys, we just got back from Monster Jam and we stopped to pick up some food. I picked up some Wingstop. I actually called and asked if they could make them spicy lemon pepper, and the girl was like, yes. Because sometimes they don't do that, especially if you order on the website or you order online. Like, they won't mix the sauces for you, but she was like, yeah, that's cool. I was like, yay. So we had a good time at Monster Jam. It was really, really fun, really loud. Malachi was a little timid at first, and then he kind of warmed up to it, but I know my baby had fun. So I'm happy my hubby took us and like got us all there. But girl, I'm hungry. I gotta pee. I'm gonna like use the restroom and go eat.
Hi guys.
We're gonna make a cake.
Cake. Yeah, cake.
We're gonna make what kind of cake? Sprinkle cake? Sprinkles cake?
Purple.
Ooh.
The ball.
So these are our new sprinkles that we just got. You like them, Malachi?
Yeah.
They're so good. And I just pulled out everything so we can bake
Little.
this cake. Okay, don't need too many sprinkles, please. Don't need too many sprinkles, please. I want to have a little baking time with Malachi before he eats all the sprinkles. On my luteal phase, guys, I am about 6 days away from getting my period, and that's usually the time that I legit start getting cravings. Like, seriously, my Flow app just said, girl, you're gonna have headache, cravings, bloating. I'm like, oh my god, I'm having all those things right now. I've been craving so bad a funfetti cake, but I want to try something. I want to turn it into a blondie. So I've never done that before, but I saw on TikTok and it seems really easy. Got our mixing bowl, and we got our whisk. We got a spatula, and we have our cake mix. This is my favorite cake mix ever. We got eggs, and then we got our baking dish, and then of course we got butter, a whisk.
Wait, this is
And then this is our mixing bowl. And what is this, our cake mix?
Cake. These are the 2 butter.
We got 2 butters.
Yeah.
And we're gonna bake. Say baking time.
Baking time.
Yay! All right, let's.
I'm excited.
You're excited? Say, I'm excited.
I'm excited. I can't wait. Hey, baby.
Put it in the mix. Hold on. Good job. Now we're gonna whisk again, slowly. I'm gonna just add in all the ingredients.
Yeah.
Right, can you add the butter for me? It's hot. You gotta be careful. Good job, buddy.
My sprinkle.
And a little bit. Wait, let's whisk it together first. Like this.
Well.
Does it smell good already? Ugh, this is gonna be a hard dough. How does it taste? Is it good?
Good.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for your help. I'm gonna clean up, and then we're gonna put it in the pan. Okay? Give me a second. Okay? Now let's clean up right here. Can you clean up the sprinkles for me?
For me.
Yeah. Clean up the sprinkles for me, buddy. Please. They're right here. Put them all up. Put them in there.
No. Play him. Oh, Mama.
Yeah.
It over in a mom. Look. eat all of them.
You ate all of them instead?
Right.
Here yet, okay? You gotta wait, okay? Please. Mommy has to butter the pan so we can put the dough in.
No, okay. Baby cut. Okay.
Guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.